Welcome back. Today we're building a real AI side hustle, a content repurposing engine. We're not using placeholders, we're building the actual dashboard architecture first. Let's prompt Claude for a modern dark mode SaaS layout. We start by isolating the sidebar component. I'm using Tailwind for rapid styling. Notice how we extract sidebar item to keep the JSX clean. This modularity is crucial for scaling later. Next, the input mechanism. We need a controlled input for the YouTube URL. I'm adding a generate button with a Lucid icon. The state is local here, but we'll lift it up shortly. We don't have the backend Python API yet, so we simulate it. This allows us to perfect the front-end UX before spending money on GPU credits. Here is our mock service. It returns a promise after 2 seconds with a structured payload. Note the nested data object. That detail is important for what's about to happen. Now we wire it all up in the main page. We have state for loading and results. Watch closely. I'm about to make a very common mistake when consuming the API response structure. Let's run it. I paste a URL and hit generate. The loading state triggers correctly. And boom, the app crashes, cannot read properties of undefined. This happens to every developer. Let's look at why. I tried to access result.analytics viral score, but my mock API returned result.data. Also, result itself is null initially. We need to respect the data shape and add safety checks. We fix the path to response.data and add optional chaining. I also wrap the async call in a try-catch block because network requests will fail in production. Always code defensively. Text is boring. To sell this as a SaaS, we need visualization. Let's render the generated threads as actual tweet cards and turn that score into a visual meter. I'm creating a tweet card component that mimics the X Twitter UI. It takes the string from our AI response and wraps it in a layout that feels familiar to the user. This increases perceived value immediately. For the score, I'm using an SVG circle with stroke dash offset to create a filling animation. No chart libraries needed for simple gauges, just math and React props. It's lightweight and performant. We compose the dashboard grid, analytics on the left, content on the right. Using grid cols 1 LG grid cols 3 makes it responsive automatically. Mobile users get a stacked view, desktop users get the dashboard. Let's check the mobile view. Because we used standard Tailwind breakpoints, the grid collapses into a single column perfectly. The user can generate content on the go. The app is functional. We have a robust UI and error-proof logic. Now, how do you make money? You wrap this generate function behind a paywall after 3 free trials. I'm adding a pricing card component. In the real world, you'd integrate Stripe here. Building the tool is step 1. Building the business model is step 2. Code like an engineer, think like a founder.